Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful kolorowe ptaki in Poland. I hope you have a great day today. It's Thursday. One thing came to my mind with the tarot card when you're having a reading and there is a card with the explanation you don't understand, that the reader could spread another card, 3, 2, 3, 1 extra card. Spread for that one specific card what you don't understand, and this is explained what is the meaning of the specific card. To be honest, now I'm lying, I used it was not too helpful for me, so I tried to skip this, but there are readers who are making this type of explanation. So for example, you've got this card. I don't understand. Okay, what is the explanation for this? And emotions. That's all. But I never use it. It's 13th of March. 13 is a good number. It's a number of change. And the 1 and 3 shows that we have everything what we want. Yeah, and it came back. Yeah, so whatever we want, we have everything. A 1, 3 shows we have everything what we want. 1, 3 make the 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the 4 elements, the 4 seasons, the 4 directions. Really, you have everything. Okay. So let's go further on. And then 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have the 13 cards. You are watching a Tilarot. The sentence. So you're watching a Tilarot. Thank you for being with me this morning. I have the 13th card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help the channel to come up in the algorithm of YouTube and shows to other any direction what they need on that day when they're looking for, even today if they're looking for today. You can absolutely share the video, send your friend. If you had an exam or whatever, or any complication in his life, maybe it helps. Yeah, whatever the 13th card is, it will be on my Instagram account, the full description of this card. You can read. I'm learning a lot of this description, to be honest, as well. So I'm really suggest to read. And let's go dive into what is the useful energy today that my lovely kolorowe ptaki in Poland need in order to have a successful day. 5 of Wands, Leo Saturn. Leo Saturn, it's a very important couple in my life. 5 of Wands, fire. Leo Saturn, so the Leo fire, Leo me, and the king. Of course, Queen, it's not Leo. Not Leo. It's about contest, that you feel that you need to compare with each other. This card's asking you to stop the comparing yourself with others, because others is different and you are different. You know, as you want to compare the Sun and Saturn, two totally different things. One is smaller, another one is bigger, cooler, hotter. They're not in the same group. One is a star, one is a planet. And you are the Leo, so you are the star. No, it's meaningless to compare. Don't compare it. May you feel that you need to, but you don't need to. This is the decision what you made in your head. Usually in a normal reading, it comes up when someone wants a promotion or applying for a promotion, and it comes up that there are more those apprentices who have better chance and really need to compete with each other, and the competitors what the current has. So the competitors are stronger or want to make a competition with each other. So who is the best? Usually it came up the Five of Swords, but it's and in this case the Five of Swords, not Five of Swords, this is Five of Wands. Sorry, so this is Five of Wands. The Five of Wands, it just asks to play, do what you want, don't compete with anyone, meaningless. Just play what you want to do, not what others want or you think you need to. No, do what you want. I'm not competing myself with other tarot readers on the internet. What for? Seriously. Each and everyone has the same, not same, each and everyone has their own style. You like that style, you don't like, you understand, you don't understand, the same. No, we're not, and we're not competing with each other. Mostly we're helping each other, to be honest. So, yeah, don't compete, no competition. What for? Think over it. It's worth it. Saturn, it's an obstacle. Leo, Saturn, I'm hindering myself. Is there a meaning? Not too much, to be honest. So don't hinder yourself. Don't make any obstacle for yourself to go a step further on. And just go back to the reversed judgment major arcana card we spread it 2 days ago. One of the reasons that you are not yourself, you I'm mixing reborn and reburn, not the same word, definitely not the same word. So the reborn, it's coming later on when you realize that this competition is meaningless, it's useless. What for? You are another universe, they are another universe. Meaningless. Don't do it. Okay? Absolutely not. Five of Wands is asking you to, as well, to make this introspective word. Why I'm doing this. Not normally, but in a traditional way, it's 5 guys who are, I know there's a hamburger of 5 guys. Unfortunately, I don't have money from them to make this ad, but really the 5 guys on the card were playing with wands, showing that this is a play, this is not a live and death game. This is just a game. They want to feel themselves good. They want to have a good time. That's what they are doing, and no any other meaning. So they just want to have themselves. Here it's alone. Maybe he tried to make yoga. I don't know. You will see on my Instagram account. I always try to figure it out what he wants to do. I guess he wants to make yoga. He tries to make yoga, try to feel good, to have a good time, and he doesn't care what is the result, but he doing. And this is your task as well for today. Doing, try to feel good, and that's all. Okay? C'est ça aujourd'hui. Thank you for being with me today. Merci. Belle journée. Au revoir. À demain.